This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. What the heck? I'm not reading that.
You have to, otherwise, you'll get fired if you don't read it.
Dave, you are embarrassing to other people. Leave me alone before I call Tom, Paul, and David. And by the way, I will do it loudly.
Whatever.
Tom, Paul, David, come now.
What is it, Cal?
There was like a weird text line on my computer, even though it doesn't say that on the screen, and Dave is telling me to say it, but I can't right now.
I have the emergency alert system, and Pugbury is so much better than Mario.
Destroy Baby Shark e.x.e.
Bro, must attack Baby Shark.
What I was just saying, that we have the great shakeout. Make sure to drop, cover, and hold on. Now to resume regular programming.